Look, this list shows the exact same values that we were showing in the list view of the admin panel. Because if you look at the string function inside your model class, you will see that the column values we have here are exactly the ones that are showing by default. So we'll work a little more on this list view because we need to give it a professional look. Let me tell you one thing, since we have declared the client class as an object reference, this object contains all the client data. So here on the home page we can show any column value. We will also see how to show the value of a specific column. Just put a dot after client and then enter the value of the column you want to see. Like here I am taking the column value of full name here. In this way, enter the values of the columns you want to show. For my convenience, I'll copy and paste this line for now. Then I'll bring in the fields I want to take here. Now, there's an email field here, so let's copy the email field and paste it here. I will also take the phone field in the same way. I will take city field in the same way. Finally, we will also take the created@ field. So let's copy and paste it back to the home page. Okay. For now, the field we want to show is brought here. So let's take a look now to see if the fields we wanted to import have arrived or not. Refresh the browser and notice the change. Great, here we see the data for the field we want is being shown. Our email field, phone field, city field and created@ field are showing successfully. Great. Well, we also have an auto-generated ID field in this client table, let's show that too. But it's not mandatory. Refresh the browser and check for updates. You see, our ID field is also here. This way, if we want to see more fields here, we can show them too. Now let's add some beauty to our list view. We will use Bootstrap to give it a professional look. We go to the Docs link and then to the Table link under the Content menu. We will use this code base. Let's copy this code. We don't need this div tag, let's remove it. And paste the code we copied here. Here we will just put one tr tag, so remove the other two tr tags and everything inside it. So let's take a look at the output for now, to see if everything is going well or not. Yes, our table is showing. Now let's try to show the data from our client table here. First, change the table headers with the columns we want to show. Finally, two headers are required for created@ and ID. So let's copy the last two lines and paste them here. Now give the title created@ here. Now write the ID on the last line. Our values will be inside the tbody tag. We need to do a little work here. Since we want the client data to only apply to users who are already logged in, that's why we need to put this entire code block after is authenticated,